So welcome students. In this question you're given that sin y is equal to x times sine of a plus y. You're asked to find dy by dx. So in this question, as you can see, to separate y is very difficult in this question. So if you want to write this function as y is equal to something, it's very difficult in this function. So what I'll do is I'll take x is equal to sine y by sine of a plus y. So I have x is equal to something in terms of y. So now what is dx by dy? So if I have to differentiate this with respect to y, I need to differentiate this with respect to y. That is equal to, this is in the form of a quotient rule. So you have sine square a plus y into, in the numerator, vu dash minus uv dash. That is sine of a plus y times cos y minus sine y times cos of a plus y. That is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b is sine of a minus b. That is sine of a plus y minus y is sine a by sine square of a plus y. So dx by dy is sine a by sine square of a plus y. So what is dy by dx? Sine square of a plus y by sine a. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.